What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video we're going to be talking about NIO. We're going to be going over what it's been doing the last 2 days. I'm sorry I didn't post a video. My internet was out and unfortunately I could not get to my desktop to record because I didn't have internet to record. And a lot of things actually happened the day I couldn't record. So we're going to be going over that. We're going to be talking how NIO actually completely played out what I said on Monday. I think I recorded that video Monday. I talked about it looked like we were going to break out, and that's exactly what we did on Tuesday. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for being here so much. Thank you for supporting my channel. Appreciate all of it, and let's get right into this video, and let's talk about NIO. Now, the last time I recorded a video, we were right here at NIO. We were right here at this resistance line, and I said, hey, it looks like NIO's about to break out, and I explained why. I said, notice how we reacted when we got to this level previously. Notice right here, we got rejection, huge red candle here, huge red candle here, here, so forth. You get the idea. Each time that we pushed up to this area, it was trouble. We were met with a lot of sellers, and that we just got rejected, right? That's what happens when sellers show up. Now, on Monday afternoon, I talked about this scenario looked completely different. We didn't have those sellers. We had that little green candle, meaning that buyers were there. There were a small amount of buyers, but they were there, and there were no sellers whatsoever. This gave me the indication that we were about to break out because those sellers were not there anymore. Each time we pushed up to this level, those sellers were there, and they were there aggressively. But this time on Monday, they were not there, and I mentioned that in my video. And what happened Tuesday? We literally broke out and we went for it like crazy, guys. We had a humongous day. So if you were at NIO, Tuesday was an amazing day for you. You enjoyed Tuesday. I know I did. I had actually swung some calls overnight because I knew this breakout was going to happen. I didn't know, but I was, pretty sure that this breakout was going to happen. That's why I took some calls, and obviously they were up, right? So what happened today? Well, overall, the market was up in the morning. Everything was looking good for the first like 30-40 minutes. NIO even hit all-time highs or near all-time highs at 64.80. That's why we have this horizontal line here. That's important. That's why I drew it here, and look where we got rejected right there. But we did sell off on the overall market. That's when everything was going crazy on the overall market. So you could either blame me on the market, or you can say, this level is at all-time highs, and that's why NIO got rejected. Either way, we know one thing. Sellers were here, and we just fell down, right? So what am I looking at tomorrow? Where would I like NIO to go? Now, even though NIO, had this humongous push up, I would still like another pullback from NIO. Now, trust me, I'm not bullish on NIO. Sorry, I'm not bearish on NIO whatsoever. I'm not bearish at all. I just want to pull back, and the reason why is because if we get a pullback down to this 59, we're testing it from the top side. We're testing it as a support now, not a resistance. So now we can set up and continue our beautiful uptrend. Whereas if we just continue up from right where we're at, then it doesn't look the best, right? We still need a little time to cool off. So let me show you the two scenarios I'm looking at. So either tomorrow we reverse right here, and then we just shoot up, right? Or we get a pullback, and then we start uptrending this way. Which one do you think is sustainable over the long period? I'm going with this one right here, where we pull back, get a little bit deeper pullback, because when stocks, when they do this action right here, where they start just shooting straight upright, that's when they have their pullbacks. It's a lot aggressive. It's more aggressive than this right here. So if you have the pullback right now, then you get it over with. Then we can start the the uptrend, nice uptrend upwards. But if you get that huge shoot up out of nowhere, that's when they have that pullback, it gets aggressive. So that's why I prefer this controlled push up. We're on the steady uptrend, whereas this just humongous push up, and then we have to wait for the crash to dump. So that's what I would like for NIO. Now, NIO could do that. NIO could just continue reverse here, and we could go up. But I would like for a pullback down here. Either way, though, I'd like to mention this as well. I drew this trend line right here. The reason why is because we were in this downtrend, in this little short time frame right here. Every time we pushed up, we got rejection. We pushed up, rejected, push up, rejection, push up, rejection, push up, and Monday is when we broke that cycle. So that's why Monday was important, but Tuesday was that continuation to confirm it. So that's why Tuesday was so huge. We not only, broke out, but we broke out of this downtrend as well. So that's why Tuesday was such an amazing day for NIO. And even, guys, even if we pull back down to $59, guess what? we're still above this trend line, and we broke out of it, so we're still trending up. So if we get that pullback down to $59, there would still be no reason for you to worry. There'd be no reason for you to panic because we've broken out of it. We only wouldn't have to worry unless we got back down to here. That's when I would start questioning the move, but we're not there. We're still up, so that's the important thing with NIO. Either way, NIO had an amazing yesterday, had an amazing Monday, and today was just a cooling off period. You can't expect NIO to go up, 12% in the span of 3 days. That's not sustainable. We needed this pullback, and I think we may just need one more red day, just one more red day. Don't kill me for saying this. And then, Friday, maybe we'll continue that uptrend, and maybe we'll hit all-time highs on Friday. Who knows? I just think that NIO has one more red day in it, and then we can, start having this reversal that we had right here, and then we can stay true to it, and we can start pushing back up. Either way, I'm still super bullish on NIO. I'm not bearish at all. We finally broke this downtrend right here. This was just a bull flag. I talked about this in other videos as well. This was like a bull flag, and it played out perfectly. We have the flagpole, we have the flag, and now we have the breakout. Same scenario here. We had the flagpole, we had the flag, and what happened? We had the breakout on this one. So this is just going to continue. This is why I'm super bullish on NIO. We had the flag, and we broke out. So if any one of you guys that are like, they like playing bull flags, then, well, that played out. Either way, thank you for being here, guys. I appreciate all of the support. I know I'm sorry for missing that video, but we should be back on track, and, the daily videos are always still coming. Either way, thank you for being here, and I will see you all in the next video.